Guys, today I want to take a look at this very cool and I feel well-built platform that is adjustable in 4 different positions in height and folds up nice and compact. Got this off of Amazon. Now, they have updated the website. There was a discrepancy. They were showing it as 55 by 20 inches. There were 3 tabs. Then they had the 47 by 14. And the problem was they had the wrong description with the wrong tab. And so I called them on it, and I see they got it changed. So if you saw this before, there is only one size in this large one, 47 by 14. And I'm glad they took care of it because they didn't know about it, and I called them. I said, hey, you got 2 different descriptions. And actually what I did is I ordered the big one and got this one, and it still hadn't changed it. And when I called them up, I could have returned it, but I thought I liked this so much I'm just gonna keep it. And you can pause the video to get a full description of the item as per on Amazon. We're viewing this platform from the bottom, and the only complaint that I would have is they have these handholds where you can pick it up, and they're a little sharp. There's edges on there that are a little bit sharp. I may take excuse me, I may take sandpaper, like right there, there's some burrs or something. So I think what I'm going to do is take sandpaper, maybe 80-100 grit, and just on this surface right here, this edge, sand those down. That would be my only complaint on this unit. And both sides are like that. A really interesting feature that this has is it gives you 4 casters that you can put on the end of the unit, so that way if this is on concrete or something and you have it in your shop or work area, you can fold it up and easily move it by just rolling it on these casters. And they're ball bearing, really nice quality. And they do swivel. They allow for full motion. Now the thread size on that shaft is an M10 by 1.5 pitch. Just thought I'd offer that in case for some point down the road you may need that. That's what that would be. And they thread into these inserts that are already on the end, both ends of the platform, like that. Now the only issue I'm seeing, and you're going to need a 14mm open end wrench to do that, but the issue that I'm seeing here is they should have had a deeper hex on here, because you're going to need a thinner head on there, because I'm already at the point where I'm almost up against the thickness of the head of that open end wrench so it won't fully go. So you may have to modify a wrench or get a thin head wrench that fully tighten that down. Not quite sure why they did it that way. As to carrying this, if you don't have the wheels on it, the casters, I find that it's just as easy to carry it by that. So starting at the bottom, we have these feet that have these, I'd call it some type of maybe nylon, plastic, not really sure. They're riveted on. And then you can see that the square tubing legs have 1, 2, 3, 4 height positions. Not only do they have this like bail that goes through it, you can also tighten down this wing nut like that to put more pressure on the leg. Not sure you would really need to do that though, because these pins will more than hold it. So let's get a better look at this. I like the way this is designed. So you can go to whatever portion of the leg you want, the height, and so let's put it at the top again. There it is. So we'll put that in there. And to close this, you don't even have to spread it, because if you take a look how that's designed, it's got that angle, it leads right in, just like that. I like that. Nice and simple. One of the things I saw in some comments on Amazon are the welds. I don't see anything wrong with these welds. Now, they don't have any welds on this surface or the other surface, but on both sides they have welds. And people were complaining that they looked bad. I don't see any of these that look bad. Here's another weld. So I don't have any complaints. They look fine to me. As to folding the legs, they've got this system down here. They're springs. They're spring loaded so that they stay in there like that. And then all you've got to do is push these together. That unlocks the leg. And you'll see that snapped back. So to open them, just like that. Here's the pivot point that the two sides will rotate on. And again, they've got this bolted down to this plate here, and there's a nut welded on the back side. Like I said, I've been very happy with them. Nice plates here that anchor the legs, bolted like a locking type nut. Well constructed. I'm a very picky person. Very happy with this. I just wish they did have the 55-inch by 20-inch top platform available. So to open and close, when this is folded, closed or folded open, as you see here, they've got this pin that you have to pull out, and that releases. There's a hole on the other side of that. That releases that. That allows you to close it, and when you close it, it locks on itself. Just like that. And here you see, we'll do a close-up of that pin. And guys, not only am I happy, but so is the little moose, the world famous 1.8 pound female Chihuahua. She says this thing will more than support you. Got anything to say, little moose? Moosey, she's not talking, but she does love this platform.